Hello, welcome to Tech Tips for Teachers, number 2015-01. Respond more quickly to Canvas messages from students. My name is Heather Stone, and I work for the University of Utah Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence, CTLE for short. This video shows you how to respond to Canvas messages right from your email inbox without having to log into Canvas. Your response is displayed to the student in a Canvas message thread and archived for future reference inside Canvas, just like it would be if you had logged in to Canvas to send it. When you are watching this video, the yellow dot will show you where on the screen I'm working. You can pause the video anytime if you want to try these steps on your own computer as I'm talking. Setting up notifications in Canvas is a two-part process. First, you need to decide which email address you want to reply from to students outside of Canvas and tell Canvas about that email address. Second, you need to set up notifications to send Canvas messages to that email address. By the way, in Canvas, notes people send to each other are called messages, and those messages are stored in conversations, not emails. So when I use the word email, I am referring to your non-Canvas email program such as Microsoft Outlook. Okay, let's get started. First, log into Canvas. You'll notice that I am logged into Canvas. You can do these steps from anywhere in Canvas. You do not have to be in a particular course. Now, go to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the Settings link. This link allows you to change settings for your Canvas profile rather than for the specific course. It is not the same as the settings link you will see on the lower left menu when working in a course. After you click Settings, the email address box will display in the upper right corner of the screen. The email address you want Canvas to deliver student messages to needs to be defined. Here, in this case, you can see that heather.stone@utah.edu is defined. That's the email I want Canvas to send student messages to. If the email address you want is not defined in this box, click the Add Email Address link and follow the steps to add the email and verify that it's usable in Canvas. You can pause the video now to do that if you want. Once you have the right email address defined in Canvas, you are ready to set up notifications. While still under Settings, in the upper right corner, click the Notifications link on the left menu. I'm clicking the Notifications link. Canvas will display a table of notification options. Note that there is a column in the table for each email address you have defined in Canvas. Notice which column corresponds to the email address you are using. In this case, the first column is defined to heather.stone@utah.edu. Now scroll down the page about halfway until you see the Conversations heading. Underneath the Conversation heading, there is a Conversation Message feature. In the column for the correct email address, so the first column in my case, click the drop-down box and you will see 4 notification options: ASAP, notify me right away, or daily, weekly, or never. For the purposes of this exercise, I recommend choosing ASAP. That way, Canvas will immediately forward to your email inbox any messages that come in for you. If you have additional email addresses defined, you may want to set those addresses in the other columns to never, do not send me anything. This will ensure you don't receive duplicate notifications from Canvas when a message comes in. Canvas automatically saves your changes. No need to press Save. There's no Save button here. Now, let me show you what you have done. Here is my Canvas Messages inbox. You can see that I have a message from a student named Sally Field. I could click on that message and reply here in Canvas. But this message also displays in my Outlook email inbox. I can go to Outlook and receive that message. Here it is from Sally Fields. Dear Professor, where do I find the worksheet that is due Friday? Thanks, Sally Fields. You'll notice this message comes from Sally Fields at notifications@instructure.com. That's Canvas. It says Sally Fields in the Tech Tips for Teachers course just sent you a message in Canvas. If I'm already in Outlook, I could click on that message and reply just like I would to any other email. My reply is automatically forwarded to Sally in Canvas. Dear Sally, please check the assignments link for the worksheet I handed out in class last Friday. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks, Professor Stone. And I can send that. Now if I go to Canvas and I refresh the screen in my inbox conversations, you can see that the message Sally sent me still shows up here, but my response to her also shows up. It's archived in Canvas. It's there for future reference, just as it would be if I had sent it in Canvas, but I did not have to log into Canvas in order to send it. If you receive a number of messages from students, this can save you significant time, especially if you set up rules in your Outlook inbox to forward student messages to a holding folder for you to take care of in batches rather than individually as they come in. A couple of things to note. The email address you define in Canvas must be the one you send from in your email program. If you have multiple email accounts delivering mail to the same email program, be sure the address you send from is the address Canvas knows about. Otherwise, you will get an error message in your email program. And unfortunately, attachments don't pass through to Canvas when you are replying this way. So if you need to attach a file to your reply, you will have to log into Canvas to do it. If you have any trouble putting this tech tip to work for you, please don't hesitate to contact CTLE or TLT. Here's the contact information. Teaching and Learning Technologies has Canvas help drop-in hours Mondays and Tuesdays from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the Faculty Center in the library, room 1705. You don't even have to make an appointment. Thanks for enjoying our tech tip.